Gateway. So what is gateway? Gateways serve as an entry and exit point for a network that all data passes through before being routed to its destination. In the real world, if you are in an airport, you must have a passport. Therefore, your passport is your gateway to passing through another nation. Additionally, it acts as a gate between two networks. There may be a router, firewall, server, or other device. Does a gateway provide Wi-Fi? Like a modem and a router, a gateway communicates with your internet service provider, receives data, sends it to the router to translate, and distribute to your wireless devices. In other words, with a gateway, you get wireless internet access in your home or space. To clarify in this situation, when the server sends data to PC1, the data will enter into the switch and the same will happen to PC2. All this data travels to the device switch and the switch acts as a gateway, allowing traffic to flow in and out of the network. Let's take another example. On the left, there is network 1, and on the right, there is network 2. Because the two are different networks, they cannot communicate with each other. So we use a centralized device called a router. Any data sent from network 1 to network 2 or vice versa will be sent through the centralized device router. A router acts as a gateway. It is the main point of entry into different networks. In a network, why do we need a gateway device? Router can communicate between two different networks using the same protocol, while a gateway connects two networks using different protocols. Gateway is also known as a protocol converter.